This is Bravo Delta 6 Charlie Romeo. And today I would like to introduce some tiny stuff that I built based on the Choc Perfboard. This is a Pixie 2, but with some very good modification. One of them is the side tone generated by this buzzer, and another one is a transmitter offset, which means that the oscillator will oscillate at a slightly higher frequency in RX mode, but in transmit mode, it will transmit exactly the same frequency marked on the crystal, which is achieved by the diode here as a switch and a couple more capacitors. And another feature is that there's a built-in keyer. This is a key used on a mouse, but I put it in here to use as a temporary keyer, so it will be useful when you go mobile. And also here we have 4 crystals, because when the transmit offset is supported, the VXO function, which means that to adjust the frequency a little bit, is really hard to achieve. So we provide a couple of choices: 7010, 7020, 7025, and 7030. All these. So you can plug into the crystal socket here. So you can plug in and QSY easily. And now I'll show you how effective the keyer is. And first off, need to connect a power supply here, circuit. Oh, why? This is because the oscillator is not working. So if I can put an oscillator crystal here, when the oscillator is working, the buzzer will not beep. So, and please note that here we installed a 47 ohm resistor as a dummy load, and here is for this connector is for speaker, and this is for regular keyer, and we can use this keyer to temporarily transmit. So let me transmit. You can see that it's quite effective and quite self-contained. When going mobile, this is a quite useful rig. And I would like to introduce another one. This is very simple direct conversion receiver, and made of NE602 plus LM3A6. And this is let me briefly introduce it. This is for the antenna connection, and this is the attenuator in the front end. So this will help reduce the broadcast interference. And this one is a 7 megahertz transformer, so you can filter out other unwanted frequency signal, and it goes into NE60. And this one is a VXO, and this frequency is 7050, and this one is a multi-turn potentiometer used as a main tune knob. And here is audio amplifier and this is a regulator, 5-volt regulator. So this is very simple, but you know, it's very easy to build on 2 blocks of a Choc Perfboard, and you probably want to see backside. So let me show you the backside. Okay, you can see that there are a few solder joints or solder bridges. This is used as a connection,